A high achiever starts the day with a 20-minute mindfulness walk, quick journaling, and a 10-minute review of 3 priorities. They block deep work into 2 90-minute sessions for research or product development, protected from notifications and meetings. Midday includes deliberate learning a new skill, a 15-minute microlesson, and a brisk outdoor break to reset focus. Evenings are for reflection, reading, and mentoring others, turning failures into actionable insights. The result is a consistent cadence that blends health, learning, and leadership into sustainable momentum for lasting impact.